Hi, I'm Nicole Jesse, one of the head of houses of Haverstraw Elementary School. Welcome to round 3, the final, at Pasta Cucina in Stony Point. The restaurant hosts our children where we get to observe their soft skills, their conversation styles, and their etiquette as well as table manners. Here they'll answer questions that are based around all of the skills that they've learned in all 3 rounds.
What it means to me to make it to round 3 of the Amazing Shake, it means that trying your best can get you somewhere. All you have to do is believe in yourself. It's the best part about the Amazing Shake. It teaches us manners and to believe in ourselves.
My favorite part of this competition is that you get to spend time with your friends and you get to meet new people, make new friends, and have fun while being in a fun competition.
Well, the advice I give to 4th graders is to have eye contact, have a firm handshake, and to make sure you always smile.
During the competition, I learned that you have to be very proper, you have to have manners, you have to be very polite, and you have to be creative and smart.
My favorite part of the competition has been communicating with others and getting to know others.
My favorite part of this competition is probably answering the questions. And the question that I like most is, would you rather work with a team or by yourself? And I said I'd rather work with a team because teamwork is a dream work. And if you want to give up or anything, then your teammates are there to help you and support you. The most important thing I've learned is to just be yourself, and you don't have to be nervous about anything because everybody's nice and other people are nervous just like you.
La cosa más importante que yo he aprendido en esta competencia ha sido como si estás en una competencia, nunca te rindas. Es que tú creas que no lo vas a lograr, nunca te rindas. Porque pienso que es importante que la competencia fuera en español o en inglés. Fue porque hay algunas personas que llegan acá y que no entienden mucho el inglés. Entonces esto te da la elección de escoger si quieres en español o inglés. En mi experiencia lo he disfrutado mucho.
After this round, we will name our top 3.
In 3rd place, Deja Simpson. In 2nd place, we have Raina Weldon. The 1st place winner for the 2024 HES Amazing Shake is Valerie Bueno.
Hi, my name is Deja, and I placed 3rd in the Amazing Shake. You know, it means a lot to me. First, it was 350 students, I think, and then it was down to 30, and then it was down to 10. You know, it's a lot of work you have to put in to get into the Amazing Shake.
Hi, I'm Raina. I'm a 6th grader, and I placed 2nd place in the Amazing Shake competition. It means so much to me. I did not expect to win 2nd. I thought everybody did great, but I'm really appreciative that I won, and I'm so happy. What I think made me successful in this competition is my friends supporting me and believing in me. I couldn't do this without my friends and my teachers supporting me.
Hi, my name is Valerie and I won the Amazing Shake competition. I came here to HES in 4th grade, and at that point I couldn't even speak one word of English. And then my teachers said never give up, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and that got me here, and now I won the HES competition Amazing Shake. The advice that I would give is never give up, always believe in yourself, and good luck for the 5th graders and the 4th graders that's gonna be doing the Amazing Shake this year.
Here at Haverstraw Elementary, we are 4 houses.